Hi friends, so we have lavender in full bloom and just wanted to make some lavender essential oil and then eventually some more balms and stuff with it. So just wanted to show you harvesting the lavender. So this is our some of the lavender shrubs or bushes rather. This is our veggie garden and we planted it outside because it brings the pollinators for the garden, and obviously it looks very pretty bordering the veggie garden. So these are some of the main plants and some of them are on the other side, so we'll show that to you as well. So this is another lavender, and I don't know if you can see, you see the bumblebee on it. Oh, there it is. Pollinators, they love lavender. This one is blooming, and I think this is the perfect time to harvest it. So I'm gonna take some branches out. So you just harvest them close to their leaf point here. Like that. Just like that. I'm going to leave a lot on the plant also because sometimes they dry really well on the plant itself. Okay, so these are some of the lavender flowers or bunches I collected. So now we have to dry them before we can make the essential oil with it. So this is kind of a basket I'm gonna use. It is airy and dried and clean. So I'm just gonna leave it here and then let it dry out for 24 to 48 hours before I put that in the oil. So you can use the dryer like mostly people use the dehydrator equipments, machines and stuff to do that, but I'm just letting it air dry naturally. So this is another day, few days later, after drying up the lavender like naturally, this is how they look like. So now I'm just gonna take all these little flowers and buds out and collect them. So I took all the flowers and buds out and my fingers are already smelling like lavender. It's really fragrant, very flavorful. So I'm gonna just transfer it into a can here or a bottle depending on how intense you want to make it, and then we just have to add the oil. I'm using this sweet almond oil because this one doesn't have a fragrance, so lavender can take all the fragrance. The oil can take all the fragrance of the lavender, and you just fill it up. I think this is enough because I want it to be really flavorful, so I want a lot of flowers and less oil in it so that it can soak up all the fragrance and the flavor from the lavender and all the properties of it. And then we'll just put that somewhere cold and dark for a few weeks and it will be ready. That's how we make lavender oil.